Welcome back to Divine Creations. My name is Natasha and I want to show you how I created this chip bag template in Microsoft Word using images from Google. I do not own these images and these images are not a part of the template. If you are interested in purchasing this template, please use the link in the description to my Etsy shop. It is now available. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, the nutrition facts and the barcode is not included with the purchase. My logo will be at the bottom and you could simply select it and delete it. So the first thing you would have to do is select the chip bag template and ungroup it. So now all the shapes are available to be customized individually. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is change the color of the top and the bottom of the chip bag to black. And I'm going to go ahead and decorate with my middle section, which will be the front of the bag, by adding an image that I own. It's a holiday bag. It's a, not holiday, but Halloween digital art that I had purchased. It's a digital paper. And I have it saved to my computer. So here, the way I'm going to do the sides that are is that I am going to use my dropper, my color dropper, to select that color so I can make sure that my side panels match exactly as you see here. And using this template does avoid bringing in a lot of different images for your background and having to size them by using that little technique that I showed you with my other template, which is selecting your image and bringing it to the front. Now you still need to do that to other images. As you'll see, as I bring them in, they will go behind the template, and that's not where we need it. So we will right click, wrap text, bring to front. Now that you still need to do. But as far as your digital background, your main focus of your bag, you can just select the panels. You could just select the panels and change the color or import images from your computer. And this is a really cute image that I found here on Google. I do not own her. She's not included and I am not selling her. She's just here for tutorial purposes. She's super cute. And I picked her because she has a background. And I just want to briefly go over again that you can easily remove the background by selecting remove background and then opening up the rectangle until the image that you want is completely in color and the image or the white space that you don't want is in that pinkish purple color. Select the green check mark and the background's gone. And then you simply just resize as needed for your design. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you here. If it did, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment. And again, as always, thanks for joining me and enjoy the rest of the video.